Hey everybody, it's Noah with American Trucks. These are the Snap and Zap towing mirrors fitting the 2021 and newer F-150. Now these mirror add-ons are perfect for the F-150 owner that doesn't want to replace their entire mirror, but they still want excellent visibility for when they're towing. Right off the bat, these mirrors are really cool. They're actually just an add-on to the existing factory stock mirror, but they look completely stock from the front. Now, mirror add-ons aren't a new thing. They've been around for a long time, but they were usually massive and they stuck out 2 feet from the existing mirror, or they were held on with these big strap things that just looked terrible. Now, these guys actually snap right into place and they look really slick from the front of the truck. Around back where that glass is, there's some serious visibility added with that second piece here. Now, if I passed this attached to a mirror on the street, I don't know if I would actually be able to even tell that it was a mirror extension. They're made from ABS plastic and the casing is super hard as well as heat and scratch resistant. These are hefty and pretty stout. They do have a nice mirror size and they're not just gonna blow off in the wind. Now, like I said, they're designed to just slip over the existing mirrors and that's it. But the last thing I want to mention is that they do have a 90-day warranty as well, which is going to cover you in case of any problems. So these mirrors are sold in a pair and they come in around 120 bucks for both. Now, this is going to be a good bit less expensive than a full set of mirrors, and full towing mirrors can seriously be pricey depending on which ones you look at. Now, these are a great way to save some money and still get some great visibility. Getting these guys installed is gonna take you about 5 minutes, and they have a nice and simple 1 out of 3 wrenches of difficulty. You're really not gonna struggle to slip these in place, and to show you how it's done, one of our install guys is gonna walk you through the install process step by step.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a set of tow mirror covers on our F-150, so let's get started. So to install these covers, the first thing we're gonna do is have these 2 hooks go over the top of our mirror, and then we're gonna pull it down to lock it into place. And now we can do that same thing on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Snap and Zap towing mirrors for your 2021 and newer F-150. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.